For the longest time, I kept justifying it to myself. And then as I kept smoking, just started feeling more and more controlled by it. I picked up smoking during my university days. Settling into a different culture was very different. And there were not a lot of like South Asian people or people from my own culture that I could kind of like socialize with. I was just looking for something to help me. And I think I just chose smoking. I never thought that I would be the person who would potentially get addicted to it. I don't think it ever helped me. It just became part of me. So I had a few different attempts to quit smoking, and I thought, I'm strong enough, so how hard could it be? I just went back right into it. I got a call from my father during like the peak time of COVID around late 2020. And I was told that, my grandfather is ill and he's been taken to the hospital. He smoked for pretty much all of his life that I've seen him and known him. Just seeing him in the hospital on that bed the first time I visited him and barely being able to recognize him, the condition that I saw him in made me feel that I had made a big mistake of picking up smoking, and I really need to quit it before it's too late for me. Having attempted it a couple of times before with different strategies and not being able to work, I think I was just nervous whether this is again going to be a disappointment for myself. But once I started developing that routine, it just became easier by day. I really went back to the nicotine patches and the gum because when I think about the different attempts that I made, I did realize that the nicotine patches and the gums worked the best out of the other strategies that I had used in the past. For me, the biggest thing was to learn to confide in my own brother. He was a really big support system for me. A big part of the idea is to just stick to the plan that you have. It's not something that is going to work, at least it didn't work for me overnight. It's a journey, but as long as I stuck to that, I think it really proved successful for me. Quitting smoking has given me so much more. In a way, I feel I've got my life back. It definitely is challenging. It's not easy, but if you really put your mind to it and learn enough, then you definitely can. If anybody is thinking about doing it, they should definitely go ahead and take the next step.